What is up, F It Outdoors? Coming towards the end of March. Trying to get on some of these freaking pre-spawn bass. We've had a shitty winter, as you can tell by the lack of videos I've been putting out. We're gonna throw some spinner baits and some jigs and anything else we can, try to get on them. So stick with us. Here we go. Yeah. Did I know that? Don't you remember on the way here when I said neither one of us brought rain stuff? What'd you bring? You're so fucking dumb sometimes. Let's go try out this new Skeet Reese rod.
I don't see nothing on the radar.
It's not new to me, or it's not new to the world, but it's new to me. This is not what I want. We are going to try this. But I have a feeling this is what they're going to want. Huh? Got him, Gino! About goddamn time. Hey, bye. Oh, he's pretty cold feeling. Yeah. I caught him 1 foot off the bank. It's my first good bass of the year. Hey. What's up? We're at spot number 2. We're doing the run and gun farm pond. We got a weather storm moving towards us. Probably gonna hit around 4 o'clock, 4:30. It's 2 o'clock now. So we're gonna hit this pond here for about 25-30 minutes. And we'll shoot out the dad, see if we can't get some out there. Try to put actual video together that I can actually put out there. So stick with us. Here we go. Just missed one, Gino. Spinnerbait. Yep. Spot number 3. Spot number 2 is a bust. Starting to sprinkle. Ain't gonna spend a lot of time talking to you because we're about to get drowned. So we're gonna throw what we can throw while we can throw it. Stay with us. Here we go. Got him, Tito! Hell yeah. Hey, shaking the shit out of it, dude. I wasn't dragging it that time, I was shaking it. First cast spinnerbait. Little bitty feller. That's Gino fish. What are you throwing? Wacky? Oh, cat's right there in that corner. Probably. These fuckers are so small, I should have a trailer hook on. Get him! He's on the board! He's on the board! See, that's what this pond's full of, those right there. It's not the end of the world if you don't. Might catch a little bit better of a fish down there by that tree. That one's not bad. We probably left too soon over there, dude. I don't know. You think these little fuckers are just starving to death? Trey always wrecks them in here with the pink wacky worm. That bubblegum one. That bubblegum one. Did you see that? Right at the fucking bank. I don't know why you haven't. At all? Look, dude, he choked that. Half pounders at a time. That's a good one. That's a real good one. It's a real good one. Let's take a picture, good one. Missy? Camera's getting soaked. I don't know how good this footage is. Get him, Tito! Hey, the moral of that is you caught a fish. Yeah. Oh my Jesus, dude, he hit that way the fuck out there. I yanked it out of his mouth. It was way too far. If you put that little spinner back on you had, you'd probably be fucking train wrecking them. There he is. Another decent one, dude. Dude, he choked it. Can't even swim right, he choked it so bad. Oh, damn. All right, so we got a little bit wet. We did catch some fish finally. Caught most of them on spinnerbait. 2 or 3 different sizes of spinnerbaits. Gino caught a couple on that little bitty chatterbait. I think I got 1 jig fish. So I know I ain't been pumping the videos out like I used to. My life's been a little bit crazy. And the fish haven't been biting, to be honest with you. This is probably the 6th or 7th time I've been fishing since January 1st, and I've only been catching like one fish here or there. So stick with us. We'll keep trying to pump them out. And if you ain't a subscriber, go down and subscribe. If you are a subscriber, I appreciate the view. Like always, say F it and get outdoors. Guaranteed to be a lot better than sitting inside doing nothing. See ya.